Hello everyone. If you're seeing the message, the recipient's account is unable to accept payments on Cash App, don't worry. We're here to guide you through troubleshooting the issue. While the problem is most likely on the recipient's side, you can share this video with them to help them resolve it quickly and easily. The first step for the recipient is to open their Cash App and tap on their profile icon. Once they're on their profile page, they'll need to scroll down and select the option labelled Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, there are two critical settings to check. The first setting is called Incoming Requests, or sometimes Allow others to request money from me. It's essential to ensure this setting is turned on. If it's off, it may prevent others from sending payments to their account. The second setting to check is Allow others to find me. This setting is tied to their unique cash tag and determines whether others can locate their account to send money. If this is turned off, it could block incoming payments. The recipient should make sure that both of these settings are enabled. If both are already turned on and payments are still not going through, it's possible the issue lies elsewhere and might not be related to their settings. In this case, the next step is to contact Cash App support for additional assistance. To do this, they should navigate to the support section within the app and select the chat option to connect with a support representative. It's important to explain the issue clearly to the support team, as they can provide further troubleshooting steps or address any technical problems with the account. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, the recipient should be able to resolve the issue and accept payments without any further problems. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps.